Milad with love, Milad with love.
As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Mubarak to one and all of you on the coming of this Mubarak month of Rabiul Awwal, the month of the celebration of the birth of our beloved Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Did you know that our Master sallallahu alaihi wasallam celebrated his own birthday? Yes, dear viewers of Madani Channel, our beloved Madinah wala Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam celebrated his own birthday. Let's listen to a hadith sharif in support of this. It is narrated by Hazrat Sayyidina Abu Qatada radiyallahu ta'ala anhu that the beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked as to why he sallallahu alaihi wasallam fasted on Mondays. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied that I was born on this day, subhanallah, and the Holy Quran Sharif descended upon me on this day, subhanallah, subhanallah, subhanallah. Look at the beautiful, beautiful practice of our beloved Master sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that on every Monday he sallallahu alaihi wasallam fasted to commemorate his beloved birth. My dear viewers of Madani Channel, we should also make this our habit to fast on Mondays and celebrate Eid Miladun Nabi. Ameen bijay Nabil Ameen. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.